Yeah, but I just kind of keep getting these calls and they're like getting a little old. Like nobody really has offered me any.
Well, I promise I will try not to be annoying and will definitely give you an offer.
Hello, this is John.
Hi, this is Danielle. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. The reason I am giving you a call, I'm a real estate investor with Wind River Partners, and I was giving you a call about your property on James Road in Memphis.
Yeah.
Are you interested in potentially selling either now or sometime in the near future?
Yeah, but I just kind of keep getting these calls and they're like getting a little old. Like nobody really has offered me any offer. Or I get like a screening call and then nobody calls back. So,
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's super annoying. Well, I promise I will try not to be annoying and will definitely give you an offer. Tell me a little bit about the property.
Yeah, I mean, it was refurbished when I bought it. There's a tenant in there now. I think I bought it for like $130,000 back in 2021, I want to say. But like minor upkeep, general, things that go wrong, and I fixed them when they happened. But yeah, overall, I thought that they had refurbished everything when I bought it.
Okay.
I think the roof is in pretty good shape. That'd probably be the only thing I'd have to double check. Because somebody asked me that yesterday, and I was like, I haven't looked at that in a little bit. But I didn't have any recommendations to replace it. That wasn't an issue on the inspection report. Yeah, otherwise, it's a pretty good cash flow property for me. So it's more just like, if somebody offered something that was interesting, I would be interested. Otherwise, I would just kind of keep cash flowing it and let it be for now.
Sure. And so tell me a little bit about like the HVAC. Do you know how old that is?
Good question. I'm not 100% sure. I've got to go to the inspection documents.
Okay. And have you had any leaks or water damage?
I just repaired one recently in the upstairs bathroom. I think that's all been taken care of.
Okay.
And, everything is from that perspective. Otherwise, no, there hasn't been any issues.
Perfect. And you mentioned that you've had a tenant in place. Do you mind me asking what they're paying in rent?
$1,300 a month.
Okay. And how much longer do they have on their lease?
I think they have probably 6 months.
Okay, great. And you said you bought it in 2021. And do you kind of have like a ballpark number of what you're looking to get for the property?
I think probably 150 I would be happy, is the number that I was throwing out in the past, just kind of assuming around 6% growth year over year.
Okay. So I'm just looking at some comps here. And I think that we can probably get pretty close to 150. I'm looking.
That'd be great.
Yeah, I'm looking more around 145 for what it would qualify for on our end.
That would probably be workable, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know what your next steps would be in terms of firming that up.
Yeah. So just to tell you a little bit about kind of how it works with us, we are investors. We purchase properties either to fix them, flip them, buy and hold. You sounds like you're an investor yourself, so you're probably familiar with the process. We go through a title company, so the transaction is just like any other real estate transaction. So we would send it to title, make sure that it's clear. Are you aware of any liens on the property?
No, just like the first mortgage.
Yeah. So you don't have like any back taxes, anything like that?
Nope.
Okay, great. So we send it to title, make sure it goes clear with title. All of the transactions go through a title company on your end. So you would just, I don't show up at your house with a, suitcase full of cash. It's a regular kind of real estate transaction from that perspective.
Yep. Makes sense.
And so the next step on our end would be for us to send you over a purchase agreement and have you review that and sign it. And then we would be binding and send that over to title.
Okay. Got it. And do you need to check anything else, or is that like a firm figure from your end?
It looks like it's a pretty firm figure on our end. We will want to do pictures and do an inspection. We do purchase the properties as is. So just as long as nothing really significant comes up, like, foundation issues, it sounds like from your end, you've had it remodeled recently. So there's not a whole lot of cosmetic updates or anything like that you have in place.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, perfect. Let me ask about your tenant. Are you wanting to have it written in the contract where we would honor the remainder of their lease?
Yeah, probably. It'd be up to you if you didn't want that tenant in there. But yeah, I don't know even what the options are to get out of that contract if you did want to terminate that. I'd have to look into that.
Okay, perfect. Typically, when you sell a property, then we're not required. But if you've got a good tenant in there that's performing well and paying rent on time, there's no reason for us to not follow through with that on our end.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. I think like it'd be up to you guys. They did have like one payment issue at one point. So they'd be back on track. But yeah, so I'd say just flagging that if that was a concern and we wanted to terminate that contract.
Okay. And do you have a good email address that I could send this purchase agreement over to?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to send you a text message with my website so that you have my contact information. And then this is my personal cell as well. Are there any additional questions that you have for me?
No, I don't think so at this time. I'm sure some will pop up.
Perfect. All right. Well, I appreciate the call. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call back or text me. And we're going to go ahead and get that purchase agreement sent over to you today.
Perfect. Thanks.
Awesome. Chat with you later, John.
Bye.
Bye.